Surgery is the only way to get it under control.
I'll let you know what happens.
I know it's terrible, but I'm sure everything's going to be okay.
Why are you even here? Let Michael's family heal. He wants his parents back together, and if you were gone, that could happen.
Look, Courtney, I'm not the bad guy here. Sonny is with me because he wants to be, and I'm not going to apologize for wanting to be with him either. And I'm not going to walk out on Sonny the way you walked out on Jason. I'm certainly not going to sell out to his worst enemy either.
No, you'll just destroy his family.
That's not what I'm doing.
Oh, come on, Sam. Are you that blindly selfish you can't see all the damage you've done? Why do you think I broke up with Jason? Because I can't fit in his life, and I never will. I mean, I was hurting everybody else around us by hanging on, so I let go. You need to do the same.
Maybe I'm not hurting Sonny by being with him. Maybe, just maybe, I love him.
So, I still love Jason, and I always will.